Welcome to the Recording Connection. At this point, you've probably heard that we do things differently here. At Recording Connection, we employ two methodologies of learning simultaneously, MEME and VBCO technology, MEME and VEBCO technology. MEME stands for the Mentor Extern Method of Education. VBCO stands for Vital Business Connection Opportunities. We apply both MEME and VEBCO to bring our students an upgrade to the way education is delivered and received in the 21st century. First, we will explain MEME and how it works. 1. Instead of classrooms, we put our students in a real recording studio. 2. Instead of learning at an overcrowded trade school or university campus, your campus is here in a professional tracking and control room, production studios, live sound venues, and record labels. 3. Instead of learning from a trade school instructor who may not be currently working in the music business, we place you with a recording studio music producer, engineer, recording artist, mix engineer, live engineer, or music business executive. And finally, 4. Our Recording Connection students learn one-on-one from one of these professionals as an extern or an apprentice. As an extern, you take a structured course curriculum, which you will access from our e-learning management system. You do your reading and homework at home, and then bring it to the studio where your mentor, again, an actively working professional, will apply the concepts you are learning about to the real world. You can also sit in on real sessions. Our technology and efforts provide the structure. Our curriculum provides the foundation. The pro we pair you with provides the on-the-job experience, the access and the insight, while the school's faculty provides the support, additional tutoring, career coaching, and job placement. Now, let's review how the VBCO works. Vital Business Connection Opportunities is our way of placing you ahead of your competition for paid work once or even before you graduate. Here's how it works. 1. While other students are attending class at their trade school campus, stuck in a big classroom, you are attending class in a real recording studio, where real-life clients come in to record, write music, mix, and track. 2. As you develop a bond with your mentor, a professional relationship based on trust is formed. The more your mentor trusts and trains you, the faster your mentor can become a vital business opportunity. 3. Think about this. Who is more likely to be able to give you paid employment? Your mentor, a working pro, or an instructor in a crowded college classroom? Now, it would follow that a private education in a real recording studio where vital business opportunities are applied could cost more in tuition than a tired and traditional recording trade school or university. We were founded in 1988 to be a Tier 1 debt relief post-secondary school. What that means is that our mission is to keep tuition low, lower than most, so you and your family do not incur insurmountable amounts of student debt. We believe we have an effective plan to break you into the music business for any career in audio, as an engineer, producer, artist, creator, composer, mix or live engineer, music business executive, and more. We are an acceptance-based school only and look forward to working with you to get you informed about our school, how we are different, how we're going to break you into the music business, and how we can help you get accepted. Call us, if you haven't already, at 1-800-295-4433. So now that you've heard from us here at Recording Connection, isn't it time you amplified your life so the world can hear from you?